Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a lovely summer. I haven't been doing any videos for the last few weeks actually, because the kids have been off from summer holidays, so I've just been enjoying time with the kids and yeah, but I've got a small haul to share with you. Some are from charity shop, and then I picked up some bits. I popped into a Primark. Not my sort of local Primark, but I found these, and I've not seen these before, and I have seen these before on like things like Shein and that sort of thing, but I haven't actually seen them in like local shops. These were £2. I think they were about, yeah, £2 each. And to be honest, I'm not fussed about the characters or whatever's on here. I think that's like Furbies, isn't it? But I liked the actual, the outer piece like this, not acetate, I'm not quite sure what it is, and then the small like bind piece, and then obviously this one's got, that one got a keyring on, yeah, character on. But this has got a chunky keyring which you could remove and then use for something else. But I just thought I could maybe scrape off this Furby. I wonder if I could get that off somehow. I might be able to. Might be something I can get to get that off. Obviously these ones haven't got anything on the casing, apart from that on the back. But again, I could put like something to cover it on the inside and the outside. I was going to alter these somehow anyway, but if I remove or cover this, then you can kind of do it whatever theme, and I thought these would be kind of cool to alter. I love the fact that this one was lemon, and then the closure again was lemon. And I thought it'd be great to alter. Again, the keyring I can just remove and take that off. And then the same with these. Apart from, the only thing is the papers in these ones I prefer because they're plain, and the actual book itself I feel like a lot bigger. Yeah, they are slightly bigger, these ones. But this one I can't use the paper because it's got all that printed on, so I'll have to find something else to put in here, like different cardstock and things. But I just thought they'd be fun to alter, so I got 2 of those and then 2 of the yellow. I also thought they'd be quite nice to alter one maybe in a Christmas theme, and have in my handbag, like, so I can put like little Christmas to-do lists and things like that. I thought that's quite nice, instead of taking a big notebook or something out with me. It's easier to chuck in my bag. Yeah, so I'm going to alter those. So I picked up those. Next few bits is from charity shop. I want to say my eldest daughter. I think these are the ones she picked up. Obviously I don't share every haul like I get, because otherwise my channel would just be filled with like different hauls. But I try and share some of the hauls that I, when I pick up bits here and there. So I think my eldest one popped into our local charity shops, and she found these stamps. I think they're all stamps, yeah. So she found this one. It's like a monkey. I think that's a chicken on its head. A bit different, quite fun. I suppose you could do that for like a little boy's card. So that one was 50p. Then I thought this would be kind of cool for Father's Day. So it says Dad, and then it's got like this journaling bit, and then it's got this strip here, but I'm not sure. I think they're buttons, but I'm not sure what they are. Yeah, on there. And again, that was 50p. Got this cute little telephone, old-fashioned telephone, that was 25p. It's quite a nice size. Got this one I thought was really kind of steampunk. You got this image of this girl with like all the clocks, gears and things like in her hair. She's got an anchor for her earring. These look like waves, her hair as well. It's kind of cool. There's quite a few different bits. Like that looks like a wolf's head there. That one looks like a dragon there. There's something else in her hair there. I can't quite make it out. Yeah, I just thought that was be really cool. And then you get a few other different stamps with that. And that one was £1. That's really good. And actually, none of these look like they've ever been used either. So that's awesome. Then these are pre-cut shapes for card making. So I think these are all travel themed. These were 25p. So you get quite a few, and they're like, yeah, they're all like sort of travel themed, and you get quite a few in there, so that's kind of cool. So that's those. Then got this one. This is all baby themed, so you've got all these here. So you've got like the building blocks and teddy bears. I'm not sure if these have been used. This was 75p. And these are all clear stamps. Then this one was 150, and this is sentiments. So you got just for you, have a great day, happy birthday, a fine vintage, with love on your birthday, handmade, and that one says with love, that one says congratulations, and then you got these like border kind of dies, stamps, sorry. So that's those. Then this one is a Christmas themed. So you got these circle, these will be kind of great for tags, I was thinking. So 75p this was. It looks like something you got free with a magazine, this one. But yeah, I think that's really cute. Like I said, my daughter chose all these. She kind of knows what I use and make and stuff. Then this one, again, this is a free one from a magazine. I think this was one. I'm not sure on the price of this one. It's kind of cut off there. I don't know if it was 97p, 28p, or that looks like 150 down the bottom there, so I couldn't tell you. And it's like bunches of flowers in like different wheelbarrows, a watering can, and I think that's like a jug. Again, really cute stamps, and again, they don't look like they've been used either. I'm going to do a small giveaway in the middle of this video, so if you would like to win these goodies, so these are stuff that I've previously picked up from a charity shop, so you could, like I said, win these if you'd like to join this giveaway. So that this one is some butterflies. This one, obviously, you can see that has been used. There is a couple that's this one's missing, this one's missing, this one. So these three are missing. But you've got these gorgeous butterflies, these 4 gorgeous butterflies at the top here. You've got these 3 gorgeous butterflies at the bottom here. And then, like I said, this one has really been used. and then it does say if nothing ever changed there'd be no butterflies, but like I said, that has really been used. I don't think any of those ones have, but that's the first lot of stamps. This is the second, again keeping on the butterfly themed. You've got these 3 beautiful butterflies, and then you've got this background stamp that it's got butterflies, and then it's got like a script. Couldn't tell you what it said, but it looks really pretty. It'd be great as a background. So that's in the giveaway as well as this now what are these called? Oh my god, can't for the life of me think, but you know what these are. This says hummingbird. Oh, it's bugging me that I don't know what it's called. Stencil. Get there in the end. This stencil set, it's got hummingbird, and then it's got these flowers. Yeah, again, it doesn't look like it's ever been used. So the rules are, if you want to win these 3 things, it's open to international as well, so anyone can join. You must be a subscriber to my YouTube channel. You must like this video, and you must leave in the comment down below. So I don't want you to say like enter me or anything, because I don't want it to be known that there's a giveaway in this video. What could we say? Trying to think of something. Maybe if you leave in the comments your favourite stamp company. Yeah. One of your favourite stamp companies, like the one that you love to use their products, and yeah, that'd be quite interesting to know. Your favourite stamps to use. So if you could comment that in the comment section, then I will enter you into this giveaway. I'll most probably do the drawing in September sometime. So yeah, so just put that in the description. Like I said, all the rules are all the information will be in the description down below. So if you want to enter this giveaway, like I said, it's open to anyone that wants to join. So that's that. And then I've got a couple of more stamps I want to share from this haul. So this is the first one. This was 50p. I don't know. I don't think all of them are in this set. But you get, it's like 4 different stamps. Can't really open it, it's glued. You get a magnifying like glass thingy. This, I don't know if that's like a compass one, and a couple of sentiments as well. I think that one says knowledge. Yeah, I'm not sure what the other ones say. But yeah, that was quite cool. Again, I think that's kind of like quite steampunky as well. And that was 50p. And then this one is kind of like a scene, Victorian-y, I'd say, style. This was 75p. It's Creative Expressions brand. I do believe they are all in here, but like I said, I've not checked. But yeah, these are all the different ones. I thought that the couple were quite cute. And then the horse and carriage. Yeah, that's quite good for 75p. So definitely check out your local charity shops. Yeah, and recently I've had quite a few different bits in. And that's it, guys. That's all I have to share with you. I hope you're all enjoying this amazing weather. Today it's hot, it's humid, and yeah. So I'm hoping to get some more packing done. That's my task today, because we go in about 2 or 3 days. So yeah, I do need to finish packing. But yeah, as always guys, thank you so much for watching, leaving awesome comments down on in the comment section, and always watching my videos and stuff. I really appreciate it. As always guys, have an awesome week, and I will catch you in my next one. Take care guys, bye.